guys, look! A new show has just opened up at the Taksim Theater. I really want to see it.
My friend Sandy wants to perform on the stage someday. She sings and performs in all the plays at her school.
Interesting. What are your favorite types of play?
Well, Sam, because I like to sing, musicals are my favorite shows. You know what I mean?
So I wonder what I will do when I finish my contract with English Time. That's more than 2 years away from now. Sam, what do you want to do?
Well, Angie, you know my real occupation is computing, and I like computers a lot. So I think I'll work in a company or an office that works with computing. What about you, Alexei?
Well, I think I'll be here for a long time. I really like my job.
You all know that I like reading. Maybe I'll teach English at a high school or university.
Well, my father is an architect, and he designs all kinds of buildings. What does your father do, Alexei?
Well, my father is a manager at a big bank here in Istanbul. I know Angie's father is a professor at a university. It sounds like she will be doing the same as him.
Yes, that's right. He also teaches English. I guess I like books so much because he was always reading to me when I was a child.
Well, as you guys know, my dad has his own business. It's just a small restaurant, but it's busy.
All of our fathers work in different jobs. I wonder who likes his job the most. Hey, Sandy, you didn't tell us about your father's job. It's your turn.
My dad is a pilot. He flies very big planes all around the world.
Oh, that's really cool, Sandy. Maybe I could talk to him about how to get a job and travel. Do you think he would talk to me?
Sure, he likes to meet my friends, and he tells great stories about his travels around the world.
Oh, would you ask him if he has time to talk to me soon?
Of course. Could you let me know your cell phone number, and he could call you?
Oh, thanks, Sandy. That is great.
Well, that covers our fathers, but I can't remember how many of our mothers also work.
My mom is a homemaker. She doesn't work outside the home, but she works very hard in it.
Well, my mom is a teacher, and she works in my brother's primary school.
Huh. My mom is a flight attendant. She works at the same airline as my dad. They sometimes fly in the same planes together.
Wow, I didn't know that.
Yeah, my parents are really fun to be with. They've seen many parts of the world. Where does your mom work?
She is a manager at an insurance company. She likes working there very much. Sometimes I feel like there's so many choices for jobs and careers. It can be confusing.
I know what you mean. A pilot, an accountant, a sales director, police officer. It's too many choices.
That's why you should talk to my dad, Sam. He can answer your questions about working for an airline.
I'm looking forward to it.
Hey, look over there! There goes a famous person right there. She's on TV and in the movies all the time. She's going into that theater.
Yes, I know her. Her name is Meltem Jumbel, and she's on my favorite show.
See, Istanbul is amazing. You never know who you will see here.
I just got here, and I know who she is already too.
Someday, when I'm famous, I'll wave to you when I arrive at the theater for a show.